Hi students, today we'll do some more questions from the lesson Arithmetic Progression. First question, an AP is given, that is 3, 5, 7, 9 must be taken to get the sum 120. The sum is 120. You should get the value of n. Here A is equal to 3 and D equal to 5 minus 3, that is 2, and Sn, the sum is 120. And the formula we can use n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here you have to get the value of n, and n by 2 bracket 2 multiply 3 plus n minus 1 into d is 2, that is equal to 120. We can cross multiply with 2 the other side. N bracket 6 plus 2n minus 2 equal to 240. 6 minus 2, that is 4. And n into 2n, that is 2n square plus 4n minus 240 equal to 0. We got a quadratic equation. Every term we can divide it by 2, so n square plus 2n minus 120 equal to 0. We have to factorize to get the value of n. Product is minus 120 and the sum is 2. So 12 and 10. When you subtract, you will get 2, and the bigger number is positive and the smaller number is negative. So n square plus 12n minus 10n minus 120 equal to 0. Take the n outside. N plus 12 minus 10 bracket n plus 12 equal to 0. So n minus 10, n plus 12 equal to 0. N is equal to 10, and here n is equal to minus 12. Minus 12 is ignored because the number of terms cannot be negative. So here n equal to 10. Question number 2. If Sn, the sum of first n terms and OP, is given by Sn is equal to 3n square minus 4n, find the nth term. You should get the value of nth term. For here you don't have a or d or anything, so you have to use the formula an is equal to Sn minus 1. So first you should get the value of Sn minus 1. Sn already we have. Sn minus 1 is equal to, in the place of nn minus 1, so 3 into, in the place of nn minus 1 square minus 4 into n minus 1. So here 3 into n square minus 2n plus 1. This is the second identity. A minus b the whole square. So n into n square, 2 into n into 1, that is 2n plus 1 minus 4n plus 4. We open the bracket equal to, here again open the bracket, 3n square minus 6n plus 3 minus 4n plus 4 equal to 3n square minus 6n minus 4n, it is minus 10n plus 3 plus 4, that is plus 7. So here you got Sn minus 1. Now you should get an is equal to Sn minus 1. Sn is 3n square minus 4n is given in the question, plus minus, here you got bracket 3n square minus 10n plus 7 equal to 3n square minus 4n, open the bracket, minus 3n square plus 10n minus 7. So these two cancelled. Minus 10n plus minus 4n plus 10n, that is 6n. Positive 6n minus 7 is the last answer. The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. 17th term, that is A17, equal to exceeds the 10th term, A10 plus 7. So A17 we can write A plus 16D equal to A10 we can write A plus 9D plus 7. So A and A cancelled. 16D minus 9D equal to 7. So here we subtract 7D equal to 7. So D equal to 1. The first and the last step on AP are 5 and 45. A is equal to 5 and the last term an is equal to 45. If sum of all its terms is 400, Sn is equal to 400. Find its common difference. So D you should get. A equal to 5, an is 45, Sn is equal to 400. Find its common difference. So here an is there, so an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here you can write a is equal to 5 plus n minus 1 into d equal to 45. So n minus 1 into d equal to 45 minus 5, that is 40. So and is this equation 1, you can see. Next one is given, that is Sn is equal to 400. So you use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 by a plus an, because n and d is missing, so we can use this formula. So n by 2 is n you don't know, so n by 2 bracket a is 5 and an is 45, Sn is equal to 400. So n by 2 into 50 equal to 400 and so 50n equal to 50n is equal to multiply, it is 800, close multiply, n is equal to 800 divided by 50, that is 16. So n is equal to 16. Now you can use in the first formula n minus 1 into d equal to 40. We got the first equation. N here is 16 minus 1 into d equal to 40. So 15d equal to 40. D is equal to 40 over 15. Simplify, you will get 8 over 3. So n and d, you got the answer. So if you are using the formula properly, you will get all the answers, all the 3 formula, all the 3 or 4 formula, all it is very easy. Question number 5, the sum of rupees 280 is to be used towards 4 prices. For each price after the first is rupees 20 less than is preceding price. Find the value of each price. So let the price be x. First price be x. So if it is x, means preceding less than 20. So x minus 20, x minus 40, x minus 64 prices only. These are the AP. This is the term. So here a is equal to x and d is equal to x minus 20 minus x. So it will be minus 20 and n is equal to 4. 4 terms only is given, and the sum S4 equal to 280. So we can use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 over 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n here it is 4 by 2, a is x plus n is 4 minus 1, d is minus 20 equal to 280. 2 into 2x, 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 into minus 20 is minus 60 equal to 280. 2x minus 60 equal to 280 divided by 2, that is 140. So 2x is equal to 140 plus 60, that is 200. So x is equal to 100. 200 divided by 2, 100. So the prices are the first is 100, then 20, then 60 and 40 are the prices. So I hope you understand all the questions. So we'll see you tomorrow with the case study question from this lesson. So you can comment your doubts, you can ask me in my comment box, and please like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.